Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to check out a truck that I am really excited about. I bought this truck about a month and a half ago. It's a 2003 Tundra Access Cab Limited, step-side, one owner, Southern California truck. This truck came out of Corona, California, has 163,000 miles on it. But if I told you that this thing had 6,300 miles on it, you would believe me. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite colors of all time, Imperial Jade Mica. And the truck is just absolutely amazing. Southern California truck its entire life, serviced at the Toyota store with a great service history. And it is in just phenomenal condition. This truck quite literally does not have a single ding, dent, nick, or scratch on it. It is impressive. At the end of the video, be sure to stick around till the end and watch the undercarriage video. The underneath of this thing is just so clean, you could eat off of it. It is truly exceptional. I was so excited when I found this. The step-side access cabs are nearly impossible to find, and a limited and Imperial Jade is a whole nother story. What an absolute gem this thing is. Imperial Jade over oak, one of my favorite color combinations that Toyota ever made. I actually had a Sequoia in the same color combination about 6 months ago, and just absolutely love it. Good deep Michelin rubber all the way around, factory 17-inch wheels. All original body panels, no accidents, no damage history. Original headlights that are still in terrific condition. And quite literally, you guys, I mean, this truck, it does not have a single rock chip. It is truly, truly impressive. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Completely and totally rust-free. This thing does not have a spot of rust or corrosion anywhere on it. Frame rails are as black and clean as the day that this thing was new. This truck has been incredibly well taken care of. Timing belt was replaced at 97,000 miles with a factory original belt. So timing belt service has already been done. You can still see all the factory markings and stickers. The bottom of the leaf springs is my favorite. All the Toyota springs come with the part number actually stenciled on the bottom of it. It's very rare to actually be able to see it this clearly. Not uncommon to be able to see it, even besides the sticker on the spare tire. But to be able to see it this clearly, those factory markings like that, is truly unique. This is really a truck that has never seen snow or salt or cold weather. It is quite impressive. Factory running boards. Has a nice hard tonneau cover on the back of it. Spray and bed liner. Very, very clean, very nice in the back. And the interior, wow. I'm going to show you the only flaw on the interior. It's right here. Common on these older first-gen Tundras, especially on the limiteds with the leather, as they get older, the leather shrinks up a little bit and it can pull out from underneath the window switch there. So that is quite literally the only imperfection for the most part on this truck. It is truly phenomenal. The carpets are in incredibly good condition. Leather seats are all original and in terrific shape. 8-way power driver's seat with lumbar. Have the factory security system with the glass brake sensor. Power sliding rear window that still works terrific. You can zoom in there. 163,612 actual miles. Steering wheel, one of the main things I look at because it is the thing that gets touched more than any other component on the car. Look how good a shape that steering wheel is still in. The leather, the graining, everything still exceptionally clean. AC blows ice cold. The Access cabs have this kind of unique, different setup for the center console. The double cabs aren't like this. The Access cab is set up differently. So it has this little removable cover here with storage underneath, and you've got your map pockets. This part of the console remains the same. You've got the two levels. You've got the top level that folds open here, and then the bigger one underneath. And then a few more cup holders here in the back. You've got your two cup holders up front, and then you've got two more that pull out right here, as well as your ashtray / coin holder. Don't forget about that. Headliner's in terrific condition. No rips, no snags, no tears. Every VIN sticker is still present on every single panel on this car, you guys. They are all there. Back seats, 60/40 split bench. Terrific condition as well. You can see underneath the seats just how clean this truck is. There's no crumbs, there's no Diet Coke stains, no French fries. The carpets are in terrific condition. Underneath the driver's side here, we've got our spare tire jack and tools. And then over on the other side, we've got storage that folds back down like so. Go swing around to the other side here. Armrests are in great shape too on both sides. Got the full down armrests. Got all the books and manuals here in the glove compartment. This truck does include the original oak floor mats. I have them. They are just drying right now, so those will be included with it as well. Got our storage here on the other side underneath the passenger rear. Good spot for your jumper cables and things like that. Never been smoked in, no weird smells or issues of any kind. Very, very clean interior. And we'll pop the hood real quick here. Venture under there. It is equally impressive. This is the 2UZ FE. This is the pre-variable valve timing BVTI motor. These made 242 horsepower with a 4-speed automatic transmission. In a two-wheel drive Access cab, these trucks actually get pretty decent mileage. You're going to be right around 20 miles a gallon. Great power. Very clean underneath, no rust, no corrosion. Very, very clean truck. Factory timing belt was done at 107,000 miles. No leaks, no issues, you guys. Truck runs and drives absolutely perfect. It is truly impressive. Just an absolute awesome truck. Great color combination, very rare with the step side. One owner, Southern California truck, and absolutely as nice as they come. So let's go venture underneath and let you see what the undercarriage looks like. The beauty of a Southern California truck, my friends. This truck is a 2003, so it's 23 years old, but it's been in Southern California its entire life. And this is the reason why I buy my vehicles where I do, because they still look like this underneath. Obviously, we've sprayed it off and cleaned it, but that's all you do. You spray them off and you clean them, and they look like this. There's no rust, there's no corrosion, there's no dirt and nasty grime. Just cleanliness. It's why I love Southern California trucks. Nothing's been painted, nothing's been touched up. You can still clearly see all of the factory painting and markings and stamps and everything on the springs and components. Just mega clean. Hard to find that. Thanks for watching.